because of you. To you, I never had a clue. I never thought that death with me would be because of you. Fuck, my feelings are a punch. You drove my blood for lunch. Your head around my head. How could I ever forget that touch?